Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk.
Hey pretty babies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel for the last time, I'm gonna tell y'all, hit that subscribe button. Cause you can't keep watching my videos and not be subscribed. Like that just does not add up. That's just not how it works. And you're not a part of my pretty baby gang if you're clearly not subscribed. Like, so do me a favor so we can both be cool, we can stop having beef. Just hit that subscribe button and then let's get on with the video. Okay, so I know I just did a video on the same hair just like this. It looks the same, it's just from a different company. So let me tell y'all, this wig, okay, it's also the same thing as my last video. It's a fake scalp T-part lace wig from Julia Hair, and this is the box that it came in. And I'm actually wearing their lashes. Okay, so one thing I do like about this company more than Eunice, which is the company I used last time, is the lashes go way better with the wig, because both companies really give you a wig cap and some lashes. Like, it's not like I got more gifts from Eunice or whatever. So this hair is from Julia Hair. They sent me over a 14-inch wig. Compared to my last video, I was wearing an 18-inch. This is 14 inches, but I did cut it down into a little bob, whatever, and I'm gonna show y'all how I cut it down. So I'm gonna give you a little review in the beginning, and then I'm gonna show y'all how I styled the wig, and that's gonna be that. Well, first of all, if y'all wondering, you know, fake scalp wigs is supposed to have like the little illusion that you have a fake scalp. So one thing I really don't like about these wigs is that the wig I'm wearing right now is a T-part lace wig. And you know, with the shortage of lace and everything, they're really trying to figure something out. And let me tell you, I'm not a big fan of these T-part wigs, these T-part frontals. I'm not here for it. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, okay? And the reason why I don't like them is because there's literally no space to pluck. It's no space to pluck. So literally, that's why my closure, like, my closure will look so much more natural if it was an actual 4x4 closure or a 13x4 frontal. Like, these T-parts is not the way to go, okay? I'm not here for it. I don't like them. Whether it's a frontal, maybe a frontal would be a little bit better because you could probably make it look a little bit more natural, but it's a closure and a T-part on top of that. I'm just not here for it. But other than me not liking the T-part frontal, this actually is some really bomb hair. It came super fast. There's no shedding, you know, the hair is really soft. It's actually, I kind of sort of like how Eunice colored their hair. There was a little bit like more blonde pieces, but it is what it is. It's really the same thing. So I can't be too picky about it, but I'm just comparing because I did basically have the same exact wig in my last video. You know, I really don't know what to say much for this review because everything was on point. Like, the seller was on point. This hair ran for, I think, like $95, 14 inches. They have like a little discount code. I got it off of Amazon. So, you know, like, this hair's, it's nothing new for real. Like, it's the same as Eunice. Not, you know, they're like the same quality of hair. Like, I can't say Eunice was better or Julia Hair was better. I mean, if anything, I would have went with Julia Hair because they have better lashes, but that's really it. Trust me, if this was some bad hair, I would definitely tell you guys that this hair is not it. Don't waste your money, don't waste your time. But it's all right. Like, you know, it is, you can't go wrong with it. You really can't go wrong with it. So since I already had this wig in my last video, I decided to cut this one into a bob because also it was shorter in length. So I'm not even gonna talk no more. I'm just gonna get right into it. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you how I cut it and everything, because your girl, y'all can't say I didn't body this. Like, this whole look, it's just a look. It's just a look. Okay, pretty babies, so I'm back. So this is how I styled my wig and everything. I didn't show me like installing it because I did that in my last video and it's kind of like redundant. I have like 2 or 3 videos showing how I install my wig, so I did do that off camera. I fixed it up off camera because I was going for like a blunt look. That's why I was trying to cut it so perfectly and stuff like that, but I didn't really like how it looked on my head. Like it was just a little bit too blunt, so I did go ahead and bump my ends a little bit, just a little bit. And this is the final look. Like, what y'all think? Because I think it's mad cute. Like, this is dumb cute. Like, what? This is mad cute. If anything, I would give this wig like a 10 out of 10. And also, so I did have the same wig in my last video. I know I keep saying that, but for the wig size, I feel like this wig from Julia Hair is more big head friendly because the other one I got from Eunice was a little bit smaller in size. So if that's something that does matter to you, I will put that into consideration. The hair is the same price wise. I don't remember how much I paid for the Eunice one, but how much did I pay for that? Well, I can't really compare the prices because it's two different lengths. I got this one in 14 inches and the other one in 18 inches. So I can't really compare the price, but y'all can go ahead and do that. I'm gonna have all the details on the hair down below. So if y'all have any questions, look in my description box. Y'all can comment if y'all want to. And like I said, like if you're not subscribed to my channel by now, but you're still watching my videos, I really don't understand the point. Like, I'm gonna really need you to just hit that subscribe button. Let's get out the way. Don't forget to press that bell so you stay updated on when I post. Other than that, that's it for this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Name Michael, used to ride motorcycles. Tick bigger than a tower. I ain't